bring?
A finger.
Finger.
Is your finger smart?
In her bookshelf.
Your brain's in your head.
So that's going.
Hey, look, hey, listen. Listen, go like this. You feel it. There's your brain. You feel your brain? You feel it shaking? You feel your brain?
Mama, see it.
Okay, let me read your story.
This is baby Jesus, baby Bubby Jesus. Is it?
Yep. Okay. Mary and Joseph traveled to town looking for shelter, but they still lie down. The innkeeper said, "There's no room tonight. Sleep in the stable until it is light." So Mary and Joseph went in to stay next to a cow and a horse eating hay. With only the animals standing near, miracles and miracles did appear. Into the world, Mary's son came, born in a manger, Jesus his name. The angels came with tidings of joy, singing a song for the baby boy. The shepherds were filled with feelings of cheer. They went to the boy, the Savior was here. Then into the stable came 3 men so wise. They brought a new baby, a lovely surprise. The King of Kings, his child will be, with bells and stars and gifts of praise. Frankincense and myrrh.
You gotta see it.
The birth of Jesus Christ's child.
No.
The birth of the Christ child.
Okay. Do you see Santa Claus?
And then.
You see Santa Claus? Where? Where's Santa Claus?
Nowhere.
No.
Well, show me Santa Claus in this story.
Baby.
Don't change the subject. Show me Santa Claus.
Papi.
Do you see Santa Claus?
Good.
Where?
Mommy. Mommy.
That's Mary.
Where's Santa Claus? You're just like your mom. Keep from arguing. You'll just spin it around, change
No presents for you tomorrow.
Tell Sissy go to bed.
No.
Tell Morgan go to bed.
Tell me to go to bed again.
Go bed. 4.
Okay, I'll go to bed at 4.
Tell her she don't go to bed. She's not getting presents. Do you want your presents? Go to bed.
If you want your present.
Hey,
Yes, ma'am.
Sissy. Is Courtney annoying? Is she annoying?
Say no.
Hey, Santa is not real. You hear me? Santa Claus doesn't exist.
He's a fake.
Are you agreeing with me too easily? Okay. Hey, so Christmas is Jesus' birthday, okay?
What?
Really? Hey. Hey. Christmas. Give me the book. Okay, listen. Look at my eyes. Christmas is Jesus' birthday. Okay? I swear it is. Huh? 6 months of his birthday. It has nothing to do with Snoopy. You don't make any sense.
I want scissors.
Are you okay with it? Are you okay with it? Okay, is Christmas Jesus' birthday? Santa Claus is at the mall.
He's at the mall.
Yeah.
Or Santa Claus is Jimmy in a suit on a fire truck. Yeah. Remember Jimmy at church? He's Santa Claus. I swear he is. No. Shut up. There you go.
Say the magic word. The magic word is the P word.
Show your boogers, Sissy.
Don't you dare chase me with your little burger.
Chase her to bed. Chase her to bed with you.
Stop picking your nose.
Wow.
Hey. Where's Jesus at? Where's Jesus at? No, where's he at? Jesus, where's he at?
No.
Where is he at?
Can you see something? Everyone can see. Can see.
See, Jesus is in heaven.
No, Jesus is in your heart.
And yeah.
This?
He's in your heart. Where's your heart?
No.
Where is your heart?
No.
It's in here. Feel it. Speak it.
Beep.
Oh my gosh, it's beating hard.
Got her upset. You told her Santa Claus wasn't real.
Heartbeat when we're here.
Feel your heartbeat? What's it? What's it?
Is it, do you understand?
So Jesus is in your heart. Jesus is in your heart.
Tomorrow's his birthday.
What?
Do you want to make
I'm not cooking.
You say no, Santa.
Tomorrow's Jesus' birthday, okay?
What? Oh. I'm a finger.
You want to see my Jesus?
Do you want to make cookies for Jesus' birthday?
Okay,
No.
Mommy, I will mail her to Jesus. Okay, I'll mail you to Jesus.
Quick one.
Celia, whose birthday's tomorrow?
Celia, whose birthday is tomorrow? Whose birthday is it?
Celia.
Celia, whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Cookie.
Whose birthday is it tomorrow? Who whispering? Who is it?
Seagrass cookie.
Santa Claus and cookies.
Jesus is his birthday. Daddy has to put it again.
Jesus big.
Jesus' birthday.
No. Jesus big.
He's not a bird, it's his birthday.
Jesus' bird. It's not her. Jesus' birthday. It's
Yeah.
Christmas.
Seagrass cookie.
We're not making cookies for Santa Claus. We're making cookies for Jesus.
When is Jesus' birthday?
Look. Jesus look.
Yeah, when is Jesus' birthday?
Jesus birthday.
When is it?
Jesus birthday.
Is it tomorrow?
Jesus birthday.
Is it tomorrow?
Jesus birthday.
Yeah, Jesus.
So you're convinced Jesus' birthday tomorrow?
No.
Let's talk about it tomorrow.
Hey, well, whose birthday is it?
No.
Whose birthday is it?
No.
There's a whole lot of people's birthdays tomorrow.
Whose birthday is it?
No. No.
It's not Jesus's?
No.
Do you believe me?
No.
It's Jesus first.
Quit picking your nose.
Do you know it's your birthday, right?
Quit, it's nasty.
Birthday.
What's
Your
it?
birthday's tomorrow too.
That's it.
Okay.
Is it your birthday?
Whose birthday is it tomorrow?
If you want to open presents. If you guys want to
Is it
open
your
presents
birthday
tomorrow,
tomorrow?
let's go.